Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shahid Tehseen. So guys, today I tell you where you can get this virus database on my YouTube channel, how you can get. So friends, I have changed plan to not provide links under my video description and in comments box. So I have created a WhatsApp account, WhatsApp a group with fake number, and I will provide you these database by throwing my WhatsApp group. There you I will provide you a link of my WhatsApp database groups link in description in this video. You join this group and just say inbox, bro, I needed database of this video, then I will provide you this database. And here you can see every day I share in my groups lots of virus, and you can join my group. And here you can see lots of member available in this group, and here you can see 494 member available, and before 10 minutes this group were full, but after sending whereas all member left. Here you can notice it. After go back, here you can see this is my second group of virus, and this is me same sharing virus in both groups. Okay, and this is I will show you. Here you can see now 199 participate also present in this group. And if you want to share my group's link to your friend, just open my group's description, and here you can see this my group link is available. And thank you so much guys and for supporting me, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, never miss new updates. I catch you in my next video.